We are struggling right now. My son in college full time, and I've been working 2 jobs. Now I only have 1 job.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
Yes.
I'll first call Miss Trang. Miss Trang, can you please state your full name for the court's record?
My name is Trang Du.
All right.
The middle name is Ngọc.
No. So
Yeah.
just for clarification purposes, your last name is Du, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so Miss Du, did we and you have a chance to go over the order that you had previously signed?
I'm sorry.
Let me rephrase. Ms. Trang, did we have a chance to go over taking some judgments on money that Dad owes you from the prior child support order?
Yes.
Okay. And so did we go over that you're asking today that the court take a judgment on child support of $56,156.80 as of February 28th, 2026?
Correct.
And are you asking that Dad pay you that amount back at $400 a month starting May 1st?
Correct.
All right. And then on the issue of medical support, did we determine that Dad owes $3,533.80 as of February 28th, 2026?
Correct.
And are you asking that Dad pay you that amount back at $100 starting May 1st?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
All right. And is there anything else you'd like the court to consider today before the judge makes a ruling?
We are struggling right now. My son in college full time, and I've been working 2 jobs. Now I only have 1 job.
Hold on. Okay, hold on, Miss Simmons. Miss Simmons, do you have any specific questions of Mom?
I have no more specific questions. I wanted to give Mom a chance to just voice anything she wanted to voice to the court.
Okay. Well, so Mom, you're in agreement to the judgments and the payouts. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so the payouts, let me ask Miss Simmons, what are we talking interest on the child support judgment?
The child support judgment has an interest of $280 a month.
Okay. And what about the medical?
1 second, Your Honor. The medical is $18 a month.
Okay. Let me just, the interest is $280, is that right, on the child support?
That is correct.
And that just happens to be the amount of the prior order for child support?
Yeah, Your Honor, I believe that really is just a coincidence, but I can confirm again. 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 28. Your Honor, it came out exactly to $280.78. I just rounded down to $280.
Okay, that's fine. I just happened to notice that the prior child support order was $280. Just want to make sure we're on the same page. Okay. Go ahead, Miss Simmons.
All right. I pass this witness at this time, Your Honor. May I call my next witness?
Yes.
I'll now call Mr. Tran. Mr. Tran, can you please state your full name for the court's record?
I'm Tran.
All right. And so, Mr. Tran, did you have the chance to hear Mom's prior testimony just now?
Yes.
All right. And so do you understand that we are asking the court to take a judgment of $56,156.80 as of February 28th, 2026?
Yes.
And are you in agreement to us that that is what you currently owe right now?
Yes, but I want to add 2 statements. Like I mentioned to you earlier.
Hold on, not yet. Let her ask her question.
Okay.
And so let me ask you this. Do you feel that that's an incorrect amount for the judgment?
Yes.
Why do you feel that's an incorrect amount?
Because there's years I was unemployed, and that I don't think that is fair for me to add on to my interest. And also, go ahead, I'm sorry.
And so, Mr. Tran, had that order that was done back in 2017 been modified since 2017?
No, I wasn't aware of any modification needed when I am unemployed. So that's the reason.
Okay. And so, are you in agreement to us taking that judgment of $56,156.80 or no?
No.
Okay. And so, if the court, let me ask you this: what do you feel like you do owe Mom and back owed child support?
I don't really know the exact numbers, but all the years I'm unemployed and all the medical benefits when I was employed, I have for Gianni, that should not be counted, right? Because you mentioned monthly you have to pay certain amount for his medical benefits. And I do have benefits for him when I was employed.
Okay. And so, Mr. Tran, if the court were to take a judgment today on that $56,156.80, what do you feel like you could pay that amount back at?
At the moment, I'm unemployed, and
Sorry,
when
sir,
I'm on
you're
my,
what? You're what?
I'm now unemployed, and when I'm back on my feet, I will continue to pay my due for my son.
So, Mr. Tran, I want to be clear. At this time, you're not offering any suggested amount to repay that amount back at?
Yeah, right now I'm employed, so I barely survive.
Okay. And then on the
And
medical support, did you hear the testimony earlier regarding that you owe $3,533.80 in back owed medical support? Are you in agreement to that?
no,
Okay. Can you explain why you're not in agreement?
because those years, I do have benefits for my son when I was employed. So I don't know why it's taken account that I owe money on a medical expense for him.
Okay. And so you do understand that back in 2017, you were ordered to pay medical support of $162 a month. Do you understand that?
Yes, but I do have his on my benefits plan when I employed.
Okay. And if the court were to take a judgment on that $3,533.80, would you be in agreement to paying that back at $100 a month?
At the moment, I can't.
Okay. And is there any amount you would propose to the court that you could pay it back at?
Right now, I'm unemployed again, and I don't know how much I can provide because I barely survive.
Okay. And so is there anything else you would like the judge to consider today before she makes her ruling?
Please consider the 4 years I was unemployed and all the years that I have benefits, medical benefits for Gianni, and that shouldn't take account of 156 monthly for me.
All right, I'll pass
And
the
that
witness. Oh,
and that added to the total I owe and the interest. So I don't think it's fair.
right. I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Mr. Tran, with no modification filed, the only order I can go with is the 2017 order. And so these numbers are what was previously ordered, and you never filed to modify the order. So what kind of work do you do?
I used to be a physical designer.
And so what do you do now for employment?
Right now, I could not find any job for the moment.
And
I'm
so,
struggling.
so what kind of jobs have you been trying to find?
It's some kind of work.
What kind?
Physical design.
Okay, same kind of work. Okay.
Yes.
And when was the last time you worked in that field?
A year and a half or 2 years ago.
Okay. And so why haven't you tried to find work in a different field?
I'm only good with what I'm doing, so I'm just trying to find the job where it pays well.
And so who do you live with at this time?
I'm staying with my mother.
Okay. And do you have rent or mortgage payment?
When I was working, yes, I help her with the payment, but at the moment, I can't.
And so you were living with your mother when you were working?
Partial, yes.
Okay. And is there any reason at this time you can't work?
There's no reason. I just cannot land on any job that I applied for.
Okay. Okay, Mom, Dad, I'm going to ask Miss Simmons to send me the order. I'm going to sign it as is with the dates as they are in the previous order. So, Mom, Dad, I'm going to sign the order as is, as filed by the Attorney General's office. Miss Simmons will send that to me. I'll sign off on it. The Attorney General's office will send you both a copy after I sign. Thank you both. You're free to go. Just hit that button that says leave or leave meeting. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.